Hey friends, let's make an open peony. Oh my gosh, these flowers are so amazing and so fun. So let's gather our materials. So I have a leaf base, I've got 24 petals, and I've got my center strip. So I love my pinking shears because it makes that super fun little curved edge, and we're just gonna chop and follow those little mountains and valleys, and gonna chop this up to make a beautiful little center. Isn't it? Okay, so all I do is add a little bit of glue, and we're just gonna roll this bad boy up, and this is gonna make just such a beautiful little fluffy center. Add some more glue, roll, 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 roll. I like to add glue across the entire strip. It just holds it together so nicely. You don't want anything moving or grooving when you don't want it to. So let's just keep adding some glue and just roll, roll, roll. And then look at that beautiful felt center. It's just so fun to fluff it around too. And that little pinking shear action just gives it so much more texture and makes it so fun. All right, so let's start adding our petals. So I actually have 18 large petals. See, I'm grouping them up in groups of 6, and then 5 of these smaller petals. So really, it's 23 petals. I lied, oops. Anywho, so we're gonna glue a set of 5 around the base, and then we're gonna stagger it up from here. So layer 1 is 5 little ones, layer 2 is 5 big ones, layer 3 is 6 big ones, and layer 4 is 7 big ones. We're just gonna keep going around and around. Isn't it so fun? Oops, smushed center. So I'm throwing a wire and a leaf stem at the bottom, and we're gonna glue it to the base. And then I'm gonna show you how to fix that smushy center, because nobody likes a smushed center peony. Oh, see, it's coming back to life. Just throw my all in there and fluff it back. Isn't she beautiful, guys? Oh, more fluffing. Oh my goodness, I just absolutely love this flower. Check out my how to curl petals tutorial coming up next. All right, thanks friends.